Hi all, today we are going to discuss the KeepDims function. So for that, let's create an array. It's A, we have created, it's a 3 rows and 4 columns array. You can see the numbers are from 0 to 1 to 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 3 rows and 4 columns. So let's make a sum of the array. So let's make it row wise. So you can see b is equal to a dot sum x is equal to 1. When we put x is equal to 1, we get the sums row wise. So there were 3 rows, we got 3 column, three values. Like in the first row, there its sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. In the second row, it is 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, it is 22. In the third row, it is 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11, that is 38. So let's see what's going on. So does B is a one dimension. B has just one dimension. It's just a simple array. Then let's see what happens if we do the sum which keep dimensions is equal to true. Then you see you get the same values, but the shape of C is different. It is a 3 rows, 1 column array. So it is not a one dimensional array, but it is a 2 dimensional array. It gives the values in 1 column and 3 rows. So now what we do, let's use an operation on using this keep dimensions and as well as without using the keep dimensions. So let's first use the minus. So from the original array, let's let's subtract the x is equal to 1 sum and see what are the results. So here you can see the results is coming as -6, -5, -4, -3. Then it's like that. So what happens? So from the original values, they are going row wise. Like from 0, it is eliminating -6. Then for 1, it is making 6, like that. It is going. Then for the second row, it has value 22 is going. So from 24, they are subtracting 22. From 5, they are subtracting 22. From 6, they are subtracting 22. Then 7, they are subtracting 22. Similarly, from the third row, they are subtracting 38 for all the elements. So you can see the values. It's -6, -18, like that. But for the other, for if we do keep dimension is equal to true, you will see that same value is eliminated for all the rows, and there will be 3 such operations. Like if you go in the first row, you see from this value 6 is subtracted, then from this 4 is subtracted. Let me show you in a better way. So we have a, let's execute it. Sorry, I have to import numpy as np. So let's execute all these cells once again. So here you can see from the values, the 6, 20 to 38, these are subtracted separately. So that's why the values are coming. Like from first row, they eliminated 6, and second row also they eliminated 6, and from the third row also they eliminated 6. So these values are coming, the first set of values that you can see here. Then from the second row, they eliminated 22. Then again, for all the rows, they eliminated the first value. So like that it came. Then again from the third row, it came, the values were eliminated. So let me show once again here. So the values are 6, 20 to 38, as you can see. So from 0, we are eliminating 6. So -6 it is coming. From 1, we are eliminating 6. So it is minus 5. And then again, similarly for every row you are doing it. So the first set of values is coming. Then the second value is 22. So after, for each row you are eliminating that. From 0 you give subtract 22, from 1 you subtract 22. Then similarly for the third column you subtract 22, and the third value is 38. So for each row you eliminate, you subtract 38. So from 0 you eliminate, subtract 38, it comes minus 38. From 1 you subtract 38, it is minus 37. For each row you do it, and you get the third set of values. Now what if we do the keep dimension is equal to true on axis is equal to 0? Now what happens, since there are 4 columns, you will get 4 values. You will get the sums column wise. So 0 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 1 plus 5 plus 9, it is 15. 2 plus 6 plus 10, 18. Then 3 plus 7 plus 11, 21. And it is a 2-dimensional array with 1 row and 4 column. So now if you minus it, the subtraction will happen in a column wise, with each value being subtracted from each column. Like in the first, you see from 0 you subtract 12, it is getting minus 12. From 4 you are subtracting 12, it is getting minus 8. Then 8 you are subtracting 12, it is getting minus 4. Similarly from the second one, from 1 you subtract the second value, that is 15, you are getting minus 14. From 5 you are subtracting 15, minus 10. From 9 you are subtracting 15, it is minus 6. Similarly from 2 you are subtracting 12, you are getting minus, sorry, 2 you are subtracting the third value, that is 18, minus 16 you are getting. From 6 you are subtracting 18, you are getting minus 12. Then from 10 you are subtracting 18, then you are getting minus 8. Similarly for the last row also you are getting the values similar way. So this is about keep dimensions. So please like, share and subscribe this channel, and we'll come up with more such videos in the future. Thank you.